In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or reuse slides from one PowerPoint to another. If you've ever needed to repurpose a set of slides for a separate project, or you simply want to avoid rebuilding them from scratch, this process is quick and reliable. Start by opening the PowerPoint file that contains the slides you want to reuse. Take a moment to look at the thumbnail pane on the left. That's where you'll manage your selection. Click any slide thumbnail to make sure the pane is active, then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. You'll see every slide in that presentation become highlighted, confirming they're all selected. Selecting everything is the fastest way to move a full deck, and you'll immediately see a clear highlight around each thumbnail so you know they're included. With your slides selected, right-click on one of the highlighted thumbnails and choose Copy from the menu that appears. PowerPoint places the selection on your clipboard, keeping the order and all the embedded content ready to go. Now open the destination presentation, the file where you want these slides to appear. If you don't have it yet, create a new blank presentation so you have a place to drop them in. Once it's open, return to the left thumbnail pane. This is important because pasting there ensures the slides insert in sequence exactly where your cursor is. Right-click inside that thumbnail area and look for the paste choices. You'll see different icons for how to bring the slides in. Choose the option labeled Keep Source Formatting. Selecting this tells PowerPoint to preserve the original themes, fonts, colors, layouts, and any customized design elements from the slides you copied. It's especially helpful when your original deck uses a branded template or complex formatting that you want to maintain. After you click Keep Source Formatting, your slides will appear in the new deck in order with the original look and feel intact. From here, you can rearrange or edit content as needed, but the core design will match what you started with, saving time and keeping your work consistent across presentations. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your slides into another PowerPoint while keeping their formatting. This simple workflow is a great way to speed up your preparation for classes, meetings, or any event where consistency matters. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.